All the images you'll see were created with just a few simple text prompts using Leonardo AI. It's incredible, isn't it? Leonardo AI, similar to other top tools like Midjourney, offers various trained models with an easy-to-use interface. It's a fantastic AI image generator for artists, designers, developers, and more. In this video, I'll show you how to create images using the text-to-image and image-to-image features of Leonardo AI. Getting started. Let's go to the Leonardo AI website. First, create a free account and access the dashboard. At the top, you'll see trained models for generating images. Each model is explained, highlighting which one works better for specific subjects. By clicking on them, you can view images generated with that model. Further down, you'll find a vast gallery of beautifully generated images by Leonardo AI. Clicking on an image opens a new page with important information like the prompt used and the generating model. You can even copy the prompt and use it to generate a new image. Even on the free plan, Leonardo AI provides plenty of credits for generating images, which refill every 24 hours. Clicking on AI Image Generation takes us to the Image Generation section. Here, you can see the images I previously generated. At the top of the page, there's a text box for entering prompts. Below that, there's a drop-down list to select the model for generating based on the prompt. For instance, I'll paste the prompt that I prepared earlier into the text box. Now I'll select the Dreamshaper V7 model from the drop-down list, which is one of the new models. From the left-hand menu, in the Number of Images section, I'll choose how many images I want to generate each time. A bit further down in the Image Dimensions section, there's an option to set the image dimensions. We can select one of the preset dimensions you see or manually adjust them using sliders. Additionally, there's an option to control the aspect ratio from a drop-down list. Afterward, I'll click on the Generate button to see the result of this prompt. The images are generated, and by clicking on any of them, we can review the images. Now let's change the generating model for the same prompt and see how the results differ in another model. For this purpose, I'll select the 3D animation style option from the Fine-Tune Model drop-down list, and now I'll click the Generate button. Let's review the images. After clicking on the Remove Background button in the drop-down list, a new option becomes available. In this mode, we can view both the original image and the image with the background removed. Look, you have easy access to both versions here. This button also provides the option to upscale the image. After clicking, another option will be added to the drop-down list, allowing us to view the upscaled version of the image. Even the version with the removed background is available right here. By using the Download button, we can also get the generated images for free. Let's review the downloaded version as well. Selecting a similar image will help you achieve a better output. If you prefer not to use a community image, go to the dashboard. Scroll down to User Tools and click on Image Generation. This will take you to the same tab. However, for more accurate results, I recommend using a community image. Then decide the number of images you want to generate. Keep in mind that generating more images will require more coins. I will set it at 4. Leonardo AI provides tools like the photoreal and alchemy models to help achieve better results. There's also the Public Images option, which makes your generated images visible to the public in the Community Generations tab. To turn this off, you need a paid plan. Next, select the image dimensions, which is straightforward. You choose the size of the image you want to create. Finally, there are advanced options where you can adjust the aspect ratio of your image. This is the prompt bar where we will write our detailed prompt to explain to the AI what the image should look like. I'll paste my prompt here shortly. First, we need to upload the original image so the AI knows our reference point to create a similar image. Click on Image Guidance, then Upload Image. Select and upload the image you want. I will upload the previously downloaded image, and as you can see, it was successfully uploaded. We have two options here. First is the type of generation we want, which I will leave as image to image. Now we come to the most important parameter of the generation, the strength. Strength determines how closely the new generation will resemble the reference image. The higher the strength, the closer it will resemble the uploaded image. The lower the strength, the more freedom and creativity the AI has, making it less like the reference picture. We will create a generation with high strength and then with lower strength to see the difference it makes in the final result. Let's make our first generation. For this one, I will set the strength high to focus on the changes I want in the picture. Click on Generate. To see all of my generations, click on Generation History. Here are the generated images. They don't exactly match our prompt because we set the strength high, so it focused on resemblance rather than creativity. This prevented the AI from changing the background and overall theme of the image as requested. Now let me show you what happens when I lower the strength. We will adjust the strength and click on Generate. Look at those pictures. They are amazing, almost exactly what we asked for. Remember, when using an image generator, you might not get the desired result on your first try. You will likely need to tweak the settings and prompt multiple times until you achieve the exact result you want. Can Leonardo AI assist us with logo design? The answer is yes. Let's explore a case. I'll paste the prompt related to logo design into the text box. The fine-tune model option is set to DreamShaper V7. Now I'll click the Generate button. The images are generated, and we have some great logo design ideas here. Allow me to paste a new prompt for logo design into the text box. With this prompt, the system will generate a collection of logos for me to choose from. Let's see the results. Using this method and inputting various prompts, you can gather brilliant ideas for logo design across all professional fields from Leonardo AI. Let's see Leonardo AI's capability in creating intricate logos with another example. I'll paste another prompt for this purpose in the text box. I'll choose the DreamShaper V7 option from the drop-down list of fine-tuned models. From the left-hand menu in the Number of Images section, I've set the image count to 2. In the Image Dimensions section, I've selected the preset 1024x768, and in the Aspect Ratio section, I've chosen the 16:9 option. Now I'll click the Generate button. Let's review the logos together. Do you agree that with these images, Leonardo AI serves as an assistant and a source of inspiration in logo design? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll respond promptly, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.